County, west central Chatham County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Seagrove, or near North Carolina Zoo, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Asheboro, North Carolina Zoo, Siler City, Seagrove, Ramsar, Franklinville, Staley, Eula, Coleridge, and Hasty. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham and Randolph.